A lesson on the simple past tense for ESL students. Try answering these practice questions. What did you eat yesterday? How did you get to school today? Where did you play last weekend? What did you do on the weekend? We use the simple past tense to say what has already happened. To create a sentence in the past tense, we need the subject of the sentence, the action verb plus ed, and the object of the sentence. For example, Mum cooks dinner, if it happened in the past, would be Mum cooked dinner yesterday. The girl smiles at her dog becomes the girl smiled at her dog last night. I turn 9 years old this year becomes I turned 9 years old last year.
Hey, what did you do this weekend?
I watched a movie with my cousin. What did you do?
I baked a cake for my dad's birthday.
That's amazing. What did it taste like?
Can you change these words to past tense by adding ed endings? Can you find the past tense verbs in these sentences?